Hi Jordan, my name is Victoria. I just wanted to start off and say, first and foremost, I think your cover letter is great, and the formatting is really good. It was so easy to read and easy to find all your information. What works for me with editing is I really like Google Docs, so I just copied yours into this Google Doc right here that I'll share with you. Because I could add suggestions and stuff. So if it changed your formatting, like don't pay attention to that. This was just so that I could highlight and show you exactly what I was talking about. So I hope that's helpful. But if you have any questions or that doesn't make sense to you, just email me and I'm happy to explain. First of all, your position that you're applying for looks really cool, and I think you are well qualified. I know in your video you said you were worried that your previous work experience didn't really help, but that you had courses that you had taken that did relate. So pretty much that's my main edit, I guess I would say, is since you did say you took some courses that directly relate to this job, I would definitely add it here in your cover letter. So the other things were pretty much just like grammar or for clarity. I'll just kind of go through comment by comment. The first thing I saw was where you said, I am soon to be graduating. I would say when you're graduating so they would know when you are available. So instead of soon to be, maybe say, I will be graduating this December or May 2020 or something like that. And then here I had also, I would just break it up into two sentences to say, I previously graduated with my associates from Wake Tech, just because that sentence was kind of lengthy. Then here, this comment where you said, I have not directly worked in sales, but I did work in grocery store dealing with people and customers. This sentence is where I would say something along the lines of my course, the course load I've taken at NC State, as well as previous work experiences, have introduced me to working with customers and promotional marketing and sales, or something like that. To introduce it as more of an opportunity, and would be a good segue to talk about what classes you've taken. So then here in this next paragraph or somewhere else in your paper, I would just say if there are courses that directly relate, you could say at NC State I have taken these classes that have taught me about marketing. I've completed XYZ projects with web designer, I don't know, whatever that was that relates, because I think that that would be helpful for the company to know. Then this next comment is just a little quick edit. I would say, in my experience working for a blank company, the grocery store, I dealt with the public in a retail setting, just rewording that. Then here, your last sentence in this paragraph, same thing, it was a little lengthy, so just I recommended breaking it up into two sentences to be maybe two things that you learned rather than just this one, so it would highlight more. So instead of saying what you said, maybe break it up into you learned the value of patience and how to communicate and cater to customers. But that's in my comments. Finally, this last edit too was just a quick little grammar thing. Really my only overall advice is I definitely think that your work experience would set you up for this job. One thing that I have been told in the past is when you're writing a cover letter or resume to look at the job posting and look at what specific duties it says you would have to do, and then use those adjectives in your cover letter. So I noticed you highlighted patience and dealing with different personalities or different people multiple times, and those are great skills. But if you look back at that job posting and it says you will need to post to social media, then maybe you should add in something about how you know how to do that. Or if it says something about answering calls, you know what I mean? Just incorporating things directly from the job posting will help yours stand out. But overall, this was really great, and I hope my edits help and make sense. If not, totally just email me. You did a great job. Thanks.